Hello, my little tribe. My name is Kate, and this is my Pagan Priestess channel on YouTube. So, today we will see super interesting topic, your next career breakthrough, when and how. And of course, it's maybe interesting for you because you want to know something about yourself, but it will also be super interesting for me because I want to do a little experiment. And usually, this tarot deck is used for relationship because it's super great um, in this area. It's like oracle type tarot deck, not classic one. Sorry, tea break as always. But today I want to use it as your little career guidance. Um, because previously I heard one story. It's like friend of my ex-colleague. She used this tarot deck to financial readings, and it always amused me. Like how is it possible? But today I want to experiment, to do a little experiment, and I want to do the same. So, we are having 5 stones. Each stone, like one of the stones, will represent you, and each stone will represent different person. So please choose stone that is calling you. Maybe it will be a little bit warmer, maybe it will be a little bit brighter, maybe it will just drag your attention. So, first card will be your career right now. And, okay. Second, it's like your closest perspectives. In let's see, in next 3 months, if you want, you may change this timing. You may think about different timing for yourself. So your career perspective in next 3 months, third will be an advice for you. And if we will see, if if we will see that in next 3 months you're having your career breakthrough, then we will clarify some details. If we will see that in next 3 months you will not have your career breakthrough, then we will clarify the details. So stay tuned. We have time codes in description of this video as always. So let's do it. You will definitely not have career breakthrough in next 3 months or in this time that you thought about. You are actually super scary. You're super scary of what? You're super scary to show yourself. You're super scary to start something by your own. You're super scary to leave place that you already know and to move in a new space. Mm, you're super scary to do something different. You have a lot of fears. You have fears that someone will not accept you, that people will reject you. So You think that it will be so much better just to avoid um, possibility of breakthrough. Do I recording? Yes. Okay, sorry. I'm usually so intense in this reading, so I'm just like forgetting about everything else. Okay, so you are super scary to change something, you are super scary of possibility of rejection. That's why you prefer not to go into some risky place, not to risk, because you may fail. And it's something from your past. It's some learning behavior that you took with you from your past. In next year, you will not have any breakthrough until you will go through your fear, until you will overcome your fear. Like you will to not let yourself make breakthrough in your career. Uh, you will put yourself either, like you will prioritize either social life when you will help a lot of different people, or you will prioritize your personal life, where you may have a lot of different partners or a lot of different like connections, let's say like this, um, just to distract yourself from um, situations where you need to actually change something. But it's actually super pity, because uh, if you if you would overcome your fears, then you will have super like great financial perspective. Like you will collaborate with someone and you will have really good financial perspective, but for now your fears is just holding you back. Unfortunately, good luck, first position, and hello, second position. So your possible career breakthrough. Okay, you will not starting from something from scratch. You are overgrow your current work space. You are overgrow your current career and occupation, and you know it, but you are afraid of starting something new because you don't want to lose your stability. And probably because if you will lose your stability, then you will find yourself in a position um, where you could not. Um, Maybe you are afraid that you will not stay at a new position or at a new job, and if you will lose this new opportunity, you may find yourself in the position where you need to humiliate yourself in front of some kind of woman. Maybe it's your relative, maybe it's your, like, for example, ex-wife with whom you're having kids. But you're afraid that if you will try something new, if you will try something different, and it will not work, then you will end up in a position where you need to humiliate yourself in front of some kind of woman. And it's really reminding you some situation from your past and you don't want to repeat it. But the thing is, if you don't change anything, then I don't see any career breakthrough in next year. It's actually pretty similar with previous position. You need to learn how to promote yourself and how to propose yourself to other people and to other employers. And you need to learn how to, well, I hope you don't have kids near the screen, how to grab something that you really want. Even if someone is proposing you something completely different, you just need to say, no, okay, like, I like what you're proposing, but I also want more. And you need to have brave to tell that you want more. But for now, you don't have it. And for now, you are searching for safe options. You are searching for situation where you will be absolutely safe and secure. And life, it's not about safetyness and security. It's about risk. It's about taking chance. It's about and vitality. And to be vital, to be alive, it's, you know what newborn is doing. They are screaming. They are screaming, and when they are screaming, it's like, I'm here, I'm born, I want more, I don't like what I have. And you should take an example for yourself. You should want more. You should tell that you want more. And you should be brave enough to grab what you actually want. Thank you so much, and we are moving to our third position. Your career breakthrough in next 3 months. Da, 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 da. You don't have change, or you don't have strength to actually change something. And situation is not on your side. If in first two positions we have the situation when person afraid some changes, so you would like to have this change, you would like to change something, but it's not a good time for you. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 4, 5, 6. On next 3 months you will not have any breakthrough, but on 6 months maybe some old proposition will show up into your life. Maybe some old colleagues, old projects, or old workplace will call you. I'm not I not I'm not recommending you to go there, because for you it will be like step back. But 7, 6, 8, on 7 months, you may receive some information about possibility and about um, future possibility. Like, for example, you may go to the interview, or you may heard that there is a position opening. And 6, 7, on 8 months, you will receive offer, you will take this proposition, and you will feel super comfortable and stable. And like with your finances, it's also will be really stable for you. So you would be satisfied with financial part of the deal, but um, Like you would like more, you would like to have more, maybe with time you will have opportunity to have more. But it will be a good start in a new place. So yes, it's not about those terms that you asked, but you have all possibilities by your side, at your side. So try to take them, try to use them, and good luck. Number three and number four. Ooh, what's going on? What's going on? Okay. Place. Hmm. It's interesting. Okay, I want to clarify with this one. Mm-hmm. Okay. So for now, you are like person who mm, less than 3 months. What about terms? Mm-hmm. First month you're looking. Second month you may negotiate with someone about your possible job, and maybe you will have two or three offer, or two or three place will try to negotiate with you, will try to make interview with you, and one place could be like super sketchy, not clear about their conditions, but finally you will find something that you really like and you really want it, and you will feel super comfortable about this position. It's something that you previously already done, but you would be overwhelmed with this work. And first, how long? Wait. First 3 months, you will be overwhelmed with what's happening with you and with your new duties and with your workplace. And it would be hard for you to return to this position, even like you're a great fit, and you will have really good work, but still it will be something like new environment and new responsibilities, and it will be hard for you to get used to it. um, but you will get used to it. Towards your finances, like you will receive, let's say, 90% of what you want. So imagine for yourself like perfect salary, you will receive 90% of that salary, which is not bad. So usually it's something that like in a range, uh, about what you want to receive, so like close. But this job will open for you awesome perspectives in the future. It will be some really super interesting projects for you and with great financial perspective. Okay, last. Well, height. Not a breakthrough, though. On a fourth month, you will receive promotion, not a breakthrough. You may change your work to different one, but it will not be some drastic changes. It will basically more or less the same position, but maybe like with a little bit better salary, or maybe like more or less the same, but formally like one step higher. So it's great, but it's not like a breakthrough. It's more like promotion, or changing your job, basically more or less for the same level. It's just a little bit higher. Like for example, you will find place where your salary could be like 10% more, or you will find a place where you will be basically at the same position, but um, technically you will be um, manager or supervisor, or like technically you will be higher. But salary is really close, even like it's maybe a little bit better, but it's really close, and it's not like breakthrough. It's like a little bit step up. Thank you so much for your attention. See you really, really super soon. Bye.